Okay, once you have created your free Boom Card account, the first place you want to go is the store. And when you get in the store, if you want to purchase, it doesn't matter. And Teachers Pay Teachers has a lot of Boom Card sets you can purchase there too. But I always go to click Find Free. I use the free version of everything. And then over here at the side, you can narrow your choices. Like I picked mathematics and I picked fifth grade, and I can look through, browse through, pick something. If I just click on the title of the slide deck or the Boom Card deck, it will let me preview it, let me look through it. I can even click full size preview, and it will open up and I can manipulate it and see if it's really something I want to do. And let's do this one backwards to see what happens. Oops, showing me which one's right, and I need to try again. So I've got 300s and 7 ones, and then I can submit. There we go. So I've previewed it. I like it. Of course, I would probably take time to preview the whole thing, but I can get out of the preview now. And then I want to add that to my library, and when I do that, it will show up in my library of Boom Deck cards. And remember, in your library, pick something you want, and you want to go to actions, and you want a fast pin. That's where you're going to get the link so kids can play it, unless you're assigning it to individual students, or maybe that group of 5 that you've got in your intervention group. You can also go to classes, and those 5 students you've added, or if you've upgraded and you have a full subscription, so you have more students, you can click on an individual student and assign things to them instead of assigning to the whole class. In the reports section, on those 5 students, those free 5 students, they haven't worked on any of these decks, but I can look at different decks and see exactly how many times they've done it, what their scores were, what their high score is, how much time it took them. I can see all that information about those students. So that's kind of a good thing. The last part is you can go to the studio and create your own. So I was here, I went click studio. In studio, here's one that I've been working on, just playing around learning. And the way you can make your background, they have images, like besides searching for Boom Card sets, you can search for images and stuff that you can purchase, and there's free ones of those too. But here I just went in a Google slide, put in a burlap background, and added a shape and a few little pieces of clip art, and then you click File, Download, and download that as a JPEG or a PNG, because Boom Card will take either one of those. And then if you want a slide deck that's got all the cards the same, you want to make a template card appear at the top. That's going to make that appear on all your cards. Or you can just go to the first card over here on the side, and when you get finished, if it's something you want to keep, want to make more of, you can clone it. But as you're going along, you can import all these buttons on the side here are for you to, a button would be, if you make a button, you're going to add content. So like if you want if you want this to be a correct answer, you highlight it and you click, yeah, click there, that's correct. Or you can click wrong, that's a wrong answer. You can import multiple choice like this. You can do fill in the blank stuff. You can do where they have to do math. So here's the fraction options there. There's all kinds of things, and then you can edit how pretty they are from this side. And then as you make a card, a neat thing you can do is click up here to preview, and it will open up and you can check and make sure all the answers are correct. So it's something definitely worth playing around with to see if you like it. Use the free ones that are already there. See, use those as something, and then maybe you'll get creative and want to try and make your own.